Ever since I made my first batch of chili oil, I always make sure to have a bottle on my kitchen counter at all times, and I think we can all agree that chili oil makes everything taste better. To make chili oil, you will be needing 4 tablespoons chili flakes, 2 tablespoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 1 cup vegetable oil, and some whole spices like 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 2 star anise, and a few slices of ginger. Take a heat-proof bowl. It can be stainless steel or any other bowl that does not break while pouring hot oil. Add chili flakes, Kashmiri red chili, minced garlic, brown sugar, salt, sesame seeds, and set it aside. In a saucepan, heat some vegetable oil on medium to high heat for 2 minutes. Then add the ginger and whole spices and let them simmer over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes for the flavors to fully infuse. Do not let your oil smoke or it can burn the chili flakes and spices. To check if the oil is ready, drop a few chili flakes into the oil. If they start to sizzle, then it's ready. If you feel it's too hot, then turn up the gas and let it cool down a bit. Strain out all the whole spices, then carefully pour the hot oil over the chili mix. Stir well with a clean dry spoon. Allow it to cool down completely, then transfer to an airtight container. You can store it for up to 2 months on the kitchen counter or about 6 months in the fridge. In my next video, I'll be sharing the recipes for a few dishes that you can make by using chili oil, so stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next one.